I'm a thought leader in the educational and coaching and leadership space. The title of my presentation is Invisible Luggage. Every day we all carry some type of luggage invisible around with us. It's emotional luggage, past disappointments. So it's an opportunity to unpack, to determine what is it that I've been carrying that's been hindering me from reaching my best in the current space that I'm in. How do we know who we're impacting and how it's impacting our students in the classroom? Oh man, it's going to be a roller coaster ride of feel good, some opportunity to do. I'm going to do some feel good things. I'm going to do some world-class cafe style presentation. So it's going to be an opportunity to exchange with others. If you're coming to my session, we want to unpack what's heavy so you can lead what's hard. We'll see you in the session.